Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm here at the Cartier Boulevard Bridge in Laval. And this is a St.Jerome bound train crossing the Perry Island Bridge. Looks like it's not going to use the gauntlet track, it's simply going to be on the regular track. And it's going to be crossing this little level crossing here. I think that's Des Prairies Road or Des Prairies Street. And it's a push-pull service on EXO. So we have EXO commuter cars. Oh, there it goes. So it is coming over onto the other track. So it's using the gauntlet track. And there it goes, headed towards St.Jerome. It will be very shortly at De La Concorde station. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.